dark nights. Love is swimming in a pool full of lights. Love is PE on Wednesday mornings. Love is homework on a Friday evening.
Love is Miss Tweed helping me in school.
Love is taking Molly and Dottie, my dogs, on a walk. Love is going to Harry Potter Studios. Love is spending Christmas with my family. Love is memories and pictures of Pop. Love is playing with my friends, making memories. Love is in a warm, cozy bed. Love is to Blue the Raptor spectacular speed. Love is being on Jurassic World. Love is swimming in the ocean with a sunset in the sky. Love is seeing my granddad on a hot summer's morning. Love is playing with my dog after dinner. Love is the first time I open my eyes. Love is swimming with my family. Love is playing with my dog. Love is explosions in science.
Love is birds chatting to one another. Love is fish swimming in the endless circles. Love is a stray dog searching for a crumb. Love is a captured monkey being released into the wild.
Love is when you're in the middle of catching a Pokemon. Love is when you're running as fast as Sonic. Love is a bath full of bubbles off a bath bomb. Love is when I'm playing football with my friends. Love is Minnie, my pet, jumping in the snow. Love is coming home from school with a family hug.
Love is when it's snowing and you and me are in a bubbling hot tub. Love is when you are slowly eating warm, fresh meatballs. Love is when you're eating popcorn and watching the Dennis the Menace movie. Love is when me and I are playing football. Love is when you're enjoying the Nuvino magazine that just came in the post.
Love is my pets at home. They make me feel safe. Love is Jesus Christ, the Son of God. Love is the earth and life. Love is my friends and teachers.
Love is those who take care of me when you need to talk. They give me warmth and happiness when I need it. When I'm with them, I feel secure and happy. Love is a heartwarming feeling. Love is when your heart beats fast at the thought of seeing them in a long time. Love is ones who care, who are around you when you need them the most. Love is
Love is a picture of my nine and the memory